Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to draw downway arrow in MS Word. So this is very easy and simple method to draw this downway arrow. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see this insert tab, so click on it. Now need to click on shapes and here find this downway arrow. You see this down arrow, so click on it and draw this arrow. Need to draw a straight arrow, so press shift and draw it. So this is will be in straight way, and after drawing you customize this arrow. So double click on it and you see this format, and you give this effect also. You can apply this effect in this arrow, and you change the color also and more options. So this way you can easily draw this downway arrow in MS World. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful and interesting videos.